In this video, we're going to go over how to create a new control profile with the AleoBlue website. Start in the area with the zone you'd like to create a custom profile for. Then click the desired zone. Once the window pops up, click the drop-down arrow to see the profile options. Default profiles will be at the top. To create a custom profile, scroll to the bottom and click New Profile. Name the profile and select a scenario. The features for a scenario can be seen before confirming your selection. When you are satisfied, confirm by clicking Create. Upon confirmation, the website will take you to the new profile where you can adjust the options to your specifications. The available options include occupied, prolonged, vacant, low high-end trim, manual override timeout, and power-up behavior. Once your custom settings have been selected, click Save. Now you can use that custom profile for any zone.